My name is Rasmus Pedersen and I am 18 years old from Karlstad, Sweden, and I've been skating for I think it's seven years now. My friend got me into skateboarding. He had a skateboard at home and he showed it to me and we tested, and I thought it was pretty fun. And when I got home, I knew I had a mini board at home, so I tried to ride that one, but it was so small, so it was so hard. That came out wrong. I skate because all my friends skate. Skate, have fun. Man, what's...
Nice.
My advice for skaters is, like everyone else answers, have fun. Because if you're not having fun, it's not worth doing it.